sleep in peace at night when we lay down our head. My daddy served in the army, where he lost his right eye, but he flew a flag out in our yard till the day.
The core of America, the essence of it, what makes us exceptional is this idea, no matter what you look like, where you come from, what your last name is, if you're willing to work hard, if you're willing to live up to your responsibilities, you can make it. You're in America.
But throughout the world, the object is to make people everywhere conscious of the importance of human rights and freedoms.
Once you have dialogue starting, you know you can break down prejudice.
Man can be as big as he wants. No problem of human destiny.
Dream high in the quiet of the night, you know that I got it. Bad push on your knees, low out the window. Always waiting for you to be waiting below. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes. What doesn't kill me makes me want you more. And it's you, the shape of your body is blue. The feeling I got it is
You in the summer, to my heartbeat sound. We fell in love as the leaves turn brown, and we could